Alright, got the engine in there. I know it seems silly to put together a bike that we're just going to take back apart, but trust me, if you're doing a whole build like this and you want it to be pretty and you go through and you finish the frame and all this is finished, and then you go to do final assembly and you haven't done this yet, you're going to be missing this bolt because you forgot it. You're going to be missing this bolt because you forgot it. You're going to be missing the clevis pin. You're going to be like... The list goes on, it's endless. You have to do a mock-up. You gotta see how everything fits.